नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर एस एस दरिया, सीनियर कंसल्टेंट and physician at SMS Medical College Jaipur. I am the co-treasurer for this Epicon 2022. I welcome you all on the behalf of organizing committee Epicon 2022. My topic was given poisoning including the organophosphorus and others. As we know that nowadays poisoning is increasing day by day because of stress and depression in a population, and we as the clinician must know about the poisoning treatment and the diagnosis. Poisoning, mainly nowadays people are using the common household objects like your sulfurous poisoning, your organophosphorus compounds, which are readily available over the counter. So anybody who is in depression or the causes for this poisoning, it may be deliberately, it may be accidentally, it may be environmentally. So if we talk about the environmentally, there is a agriculture people who are using the organophosphorus compounds and the sprays in their agriculture, and they sometimes get the poisoning by the accidentally or the deliberately. So we should know the signs symptoms of the organophosphorus poisoning. The common signs symptoms of the organophosphorus poisoning are the nausea, vomiting, rashes, altered sensorium, coma and seizures. Diagnosis can be done by the history which is given either by the patient or the relatives of the patient, that what compound he or she has taken. And for that treatment part, we should start with the routine ABC treatment, that is for your resuscitation, airway breathing and circulation, and then we should find the toxic agents. For that we should take the your cloths and the gastric lavage and send to the forensic lab to diagnose the organophosphorus compound or the other poisoning compounds. The common poisoning compounds may be the drugs also, the people who are taking the sedative or hypnotics or tranquilizers in a large amount. Then patient presents in the emergency department as a stupor or in coma condition. In that condition, we should start the primary treatment with the resuscitation and the supportive management. For particular organophosphorus poisoning, as per the WHO recommendation, the oxime compound are the using mainly. The preludioxime is the major compound being used by the people, and we should take the all preventive measures, and if there is a complications of the poisoning, then we should give the antibiotics and the ICU management in the altered sensorium patients. Thank you.